Hey guys, this is Crazy Monkey Crypto here. Today we are going to be doing our 8 GPU mining build. So we have our 8 GPU Vitretu mining case that I got off Amazon. And then we have our 8 GPUs. These are from Nerd Gears. Thank you guys for hooking me up. They are in A quality state, so they should be pretty much pristine quality. Obviously no manufacturer box, but overall should be a really good GPU. And so we are going to get these unboxed. We'll see what they look like. And then we will get this big guy all configured and we'll get those GPUs in there. Okay, so here we are going to unbox the GPUs. As you guys see, I literally have not opened this. I got it before Thanksgiving. And so I've been dying to get these open. All right, as you guys can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sneaking in there. So let's take a look. Oh, nice. They even come with the anti-static discharge bags. Super nice. As you guys can see, the back plate looks really, really nice. There's one tiny little blemish on the top there. I'm not sure how well the camera picks it up, but okay. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh no. Didn't come off the corner. So not quite as satisfying. But man, oh man, these are nice looking GPUs. You can see there's the copper heat sinks. Also, this should be yep. So this is just proof that the GPU passed their test, which is pretty cool. You can see the max usage, max temperature, and max power. You can see we got the 5700 XT. So that comes with every single one of the cards. You can see they are power color 5700 XTs. Let's just get the last of this stuff off. Okay, not bad looking at all. Actually really good. I like these GPUs. They're very clean. We'll do the fan spin. Do some more Red Panda mining, fan spins. Shout out, bro. Love you. And if we ever need it, we have 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. All the pins look good. So it does take a 8-pin and then a 6-pin. So a little bit different of a configuration. Not a dual 8 and not a single 8 or a dual 6-pin. But yeah, overall, really like these cards. I'm going to get the rest of them unboxed and make sure everything looks good. All right, so we got all 8 unboxed, opened. So you guys saw maybe kind of painfully getting the peeling off, but we did want to get that all off. You don't want any of that stuff on when the GPUs are running. But guys, these GPUs look really good. The only thing is the fans seem a little bit flimsy. But this Vitretu case has some beefy case fans, so hopefully that won't be much of an issue. So we'll get to that next. All right. So as you guys can see, we have this middle mounting bar. We have all of our cables here. The plug that goes into the power supply. We have all of our extensions, and then we have, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but underneath here you have these that power right into the, oh, interesting, this one's not plugged in. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out why that is, but we have these all plugged in, and then you see we have these big beefy, I'm trying to see, they're 120 or 140 mil. I honestly don't know, but we have 4 for the intake and 4 for the exhaust. So that will be a ton of airflow, which is awesome. All right, we'll cut all of our cables free. Take that metal bar out for now. We got all of our fan cables. All right, so I'm gonna plug this in, make sure all the fans and everything work, and then we'll start plugging in GPUs. Okay, tested everything. It all fired up good. We had our blinking red light somewhere, which was a good indicator. All the fans fired up, which is awesome. This is the intake side, and this is the exhaust side. So the side with the controller is right up here for the fans. So we'll go ahead, we'll throw a time lapse on of me putting the GPUs in, and then we'll have everything constructed. Alright guys, I got everything wired up. This is still missing a 6-pin here. I'm gonna try firing it up quick, see if it runs okay, and then I'm gonna get in touch with their customer service and figure out if that's an essential part. But okay, let's fire it up. Freaking beautiful. So all the cards did their startups. All the cards fan spun. You guys can obviously hear the case fans running, which is awesome. So we're gonna consider this a success for today. Stay tuned. We will do finish getting this thing all set up, get it on an algo, and get it up and hashing very, very shortly. Thank you guys so much if you stuck around at the end of the video. If you did, please help me grow on YouTube by hitting that like and subscribe button. If I did something wrong, like with the cable management, whatever else, feel free to leave a comment. Always looking for a little bit of advice. So take care, guys. Peace and stay safe out there.